So in order to start a new sales order within the system, much like a new purchase order, you can either open the side menu here and you can find under sales, or if you've added it to the top menu, you can just click new sales order here. This follows much the same logic for both sales orders and purchase orders, again, following the numbers in order to work around the system. So if I start, I can type a company name in, and that will find the details much the same as on a purchase order, and we'll fill in delivery address details, billing address details, and similar. Now, if you've placed any notes within a customer record, then in the internal comments here, you'll see that these will show up. So here, this is a record that I've placed against the customer. So if, for example, you had a note saying that you had to speak to someone for approval, or that you were not to release goods or similar, they will show up here. Moving down through the page, we can select the branch that we're going to be distributing from. So I'll leave this at Melbourne Warehouse for the moment, and also place a customer purchase order number just in here if you receive one. Then moving down here, I can search by either code or product. So here, for example, if I type a name or part of a name of a product, I can see how many are available. And here we might dispatch 50 out with the details here, and we also get a margin reading up the top. In the stage here, we can change stages of items if we want to. So for example, here, I could move this into processing if I wanted to record it that way and have it listed in the system. I'll leave this as just new for the moment. So when you've checked all of the appropriate details here, adding a freight cost as appropriate, then what we will do here is approve, or approve back to list, or approve an email as appropriate. So here, if I click approve, I'll be taken to the review screen. The review screen also has some notes against it as well, which is particularly useful for adding notes to this order. There's also a series of emails that you can send out here, or you can click on invoice to print an invoice.